I'm Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. You're looking at a wallpaper from Phillip Jeffries that many wallpaper hangers, not to knock them, not at all, they're afraid to hang this. Why is that? Because it's super expensive. This is an organic material. It's a textured organic wall covering. I gotta tell you something. It's the easiest wallpaper to install. Don't be afraid of it because it costs money. Yes, keep your hands clean. One of my viewers sent me a note. Nice lady from, I think Ireland or Scotland. Gamel, I forget her first name. She said, do you clean out that rag? These rags are clean, they're brand new. They just get discolored according to the light. Anyway, so, I mean, look at me smoothing this paper off just by my hand. It's really easy. Don't be intimidated because something costs $300 a roll. All right? And if you mess it up, just go through the garage door and leave. Oh, I'm only kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Don't do that. So, let them see what I'm doing with my hands. I mean, if you hang vinyl, this is a pleasure to hang. There's no bubbles. This stuff, the air comes through it. Now, I will tell you this. Rule number one, it's similar to what we call a dry hang. What is a dry hang? It's when you paste the wall and you wait till it gets tacky to the touch. But we put the glue on the paper and waited till it got tacky. And then we hung it. Here's why you do that. Number one, if you don't do it with the dry hang method, if it's too wet, when you manipulate this against the wall, the moisture from the glue, if you put too much, will come through and stain this material. If you can't see in the video, this has a gold shimmering effect, but it's not synthetic. This is an organic material, so it's all natural. Just like the water you drink today, all natural. Now, why did I choose the hardest paper piece to install first? Well, not because I want to torture myself or look incompetent on video, but you don't want your seam to end up here or here. This is the easiest way to shimmy this wallpaper behind this toilet bowl. And that's why I did it. Now I keep my rag handy and my pants dry so that I can get the glue off my finger and quickly dry my hand. You see the horizontal wrinkles? Okay, what is that from? Well, you know from prior videos, that's a manifestation of a not so straight corner. So if it were straight, you know this edge is straight. You know that. But if it's making wrinkles like that, you know this is not straight. But we're going to have to work around that, right? And it is not easy to manipulate this. I want to give a shout out to Paul Colgan. He's got a website. He's got a YouTube channel, Paul's Toolbox. I highly recommend the channel. The guy is awesome. Number two, the Vancouver Carpenter. Really good channel. Good content. I go on there frequently and I learn a lot of stuff. And thirdly, the Idaho Painter. Excellent content. Learned a lot of stuff from Chris Berry. And fourthly, DJ Crown. He shows you how to hang crown molding and do fine woodwork cuts. Really great YouTube channel. I hope that you'll check them out. Okay, now what I'm going to do to get this wrinkle out is to go up at the top and then simply pull the wallpaper up toward the ceiling. If I didn't tell you, this is a Phillip Jeffries organic wallpaper. I think I did, but I forget. I stumbled on another YouTube channel that I like. I am fascinated by airplanes, and if you guys like airplanes too, like I do, there's a website. It's Captain Joe. He's an airline pilot, and he tells you all about the nuances of particularly commercial airline flying. I really enjoy his channel. Okay, always wipe your, if I should scratch the wall there, and then I'll embed it into this, so you always want to wipe it off. The main reason I do this video is to show you, I don't care if you've never hung this before, don't be scared of doing this. Don't say, oh, I don't know, it cost me $300 a roll, I don't know if I can do it. And if you mess up, just write another check for $300. No, I'm only kidding. You can do it. Or you can call me. You know what I tell my customers? They say, hi Spencer, I love your videos, I love this, I love that. I'm like, okay. I'm like, what about me? No, I love you too. Anyway, they say, how much do you charge? And I say, well, it's a function of your annual income. And then they pause and they say, you're joking, right? And I'm like, yeah, I am. And then when I charge them, I do charge them according to their income. No, I'm only kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm only kidding. Okay, I want you to come around this, since it's already perfect, just about. Billy Devlin from Ireland, great guy, great decorating company. I really can't wait to meet that fellow. Give him a shout out too. He has an Instagram channel, Billy Devlin Decorating, but I don't think he has a YouTube channel. But really, what a gentleman. All right, BB. Now, let's get over here. Now, if you could kind of come over here to show them what a pain in the rear end this is, I would appreciate that, okay? Just come around here, and I want them to see. You know what? I'll hold the camera. Get my scissors, please, from the pouch. I want to show them this. Now, I should tell you that this wallpaper is not easy to cut. Okay, you see these threads here? To go this way is not easy. So we're going to do it the easy way by cutting. Okay, you got the scissors? Okay. My helper, he's all right. He's just, he has two speeds. One is slow and the other is stop. And I think he's on stop right now. Okay, come on in. Come on in. Come on. Come on, buddy. All right, grab your camera. Don't shut it off now. I want to show them what I'm doing. This is important. Come down here with me. This is very important and tricky. I want to show them exactly what I'm doing. And after messing this up many times, I figured it out. But it wasn't easy. I want you to have the camera where my hands are. Okay, so you see what I just did? I just got all the wrinkles out. And it's important because for those of you who know carpentry and getting things into place, this is now square. I know it sounds crazy, but it is. It is square. And what is this square with? You see this edge here? It's sort of parallel with the ceiling, okay? And this tells me that I can cut it now. Now, watch this. Hold on. Okay, good. You got that? Good. Very good. You got it right on there. Okay, so you guys see this obstacle here? This is my obstacle, and I have to get the wallpaper around it. Hey, guys. These are great ways to cheat. I want to show you something. This is a escutcheon, great tool. But if you were pressed for perfection, I want to show you how to achieve it. Now watch this. I want you to watch where I start my scissor. Try to get your camera over here and look over here. You want to get the scissor directly above that obstacle. Okay? And it's not easy, as you can see. So do whatever you can to get the cut right over the pipe. Check it out. Get the camera right in here. Look. See that? I'm right over that pipe. And so I want to continue with that cut straight up. I move the camera back to you. You see, if it's straight, guys, now you can understand why you want that straight. Look how my wallpaper falls. Can any one of you argue against how I did that? Okay? Show them how nice and snug that wallpaper is right around that, okay? Show them. Around that pipe. Get close to that pipe. Okay, take it out. Very good. And so now you know. Now show them this pipe. I want to show them where to cut this. Okay? We have to go around this. So now guys, those of you who are learning, where do I cut this wallpaper? Do I cut it up here or below the bend? You want to go to where the pipe is fat. And it's right here. Show them this side of it. So I'm going to start cutting right in the middle. Right in the middle. Right against the pipe. Now, as the pipe bends, I want you to get the camera looking at my cut. I want them to see the blade where it's cutting. Stress mark. We want that wallpaper in against the pipe. Is it in? Are you getting it good? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Very important. Don't cheat down here. Do a good job. You know, you want to get that. You look. See how I did it? The people may change to a what do you call it? Pedestal sink. You want that right on the pipe, okay? Don't say, well, they're using a vanity. And next year they might change to a pedestal. And then you did a sloppy job. So you want to get it right up against this waist. Ah. Okay? Last obstacle. Make sure your smoother's dry. Okay? And we're going to just simply cut. This should be an easy cut because we're cutting with the grooves. It's like cutting wood with the grain. Okay. Listen, I'm not doing anything that you guys can't do. Just put the patience into it, you know? And you guys can do it too. Yeah, it's a pain, believe me, it's a pain. So I know I'm not cutting it conventionally correct, but I can't get my smoother in otherwise. Some nice lady commented, you didn't position your smoother the right way. I said, you're right, but it didn't matter. Okay, release the pressure points on this stuff. Oh, that's not copper. I better be careful. Don't want to cut that. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Put this paper down, put the escutcheon down, and just push our paper into place. There's no other way to do that. You must have a seam in that wallpaper because of the pipe. Okay, smooth it out. See how nice it comes out? Okay, folks. This is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. I hope you learned something from the video. If not, too bad. I mean, no, I'm only kidding. Please click on like, subscribe. It's hot. See you on the next one. Thank you.